So guys, Roderick is gonna check his fish trap in here. As you can see all these leaves here. This is where he put the fish trap. So he's getting ready to check it. See?
Kung basa-basa di ako rin kabuton. Kuha ng buangan eh, mga namabaw man. Gamaya raw.
There's four of them. Ay, tanawa.
Gamay kayo eh.
Wala na.
Tilapia. Yesterday about 3 kilos, but today not much.
Karon wala na, horot na horot.
Duha ka bok ko
Oh, nice Neo. Guldi.
Saan man eh, dalon yun eh.
Ito ko itong isa, there's another one.
Wang gyud mo.
Gamaya raw. Grabe to dahil gahapon eh.
Katong isa ling.
Ha? Laom to di para makita. Para makita. Friend. Kaya sigurong isang tignan. Yawa na kamat. Pagkakilya. Ganun na. Dito. Kanan. Naagin ang aging tangkad. Ganun na. Laom sa mga tibaw.
Samilin ikot one. Sige, tuwag ka, sabay mo kuha. Lakaw. Good check it. It was samilin sa fishing pool. Lakaw. Wow! Hala, daghan eh. Uy, naik ko ano? Daghan lagi ni. Na mo lagi ito mga isda. Unsa man isda?
Motor man na. Di mo na makaon.
Yung pataw. Ay.
Samilin ko one fishing pool.
Tuod eh. Balihin na kung tama ato niya.
He's gonna move it somewhere else.
Gumaya ra eh.
Wow.
Ay butang dito ra.
Kaan eh.
Wow. Itapo ra na, itapo.
Pagkuha pa ka. Pagkuha na jud yes isa. Dili ka tamuli eh.
Yan nanay nakakuha.
Gidadan kabuay.
Pila ka buo.
Ay gamay ra tanan.
Nagagmay pila ko ba no? Ay gagmay mas dagko pa tong ngayon.
Unsa man na pagkuan? Kuha. Ay, nanay niluksan man. Mubalik na sa kanal.
Wati tong leg.
Now they don't wanna go home because Samilin caught one. You happy?
Dapat siya may to si Ante ang kakay.
She left her fishing pole and it caught one. Wow. We're gonna move. Yay! Samilin's fishing pole caught another little tiny one.
Duha ka bok.
Yay! Good job, Samilin. Ano ba? Asa oran? Tuan dituan kunaan. Kuna. Uy, kuna birahas ako ano maning nawa man ang kon.
Damo kayo. Wag sudlanan eh.
Pasudan na.
Oo. Ang sudlanan.
Sudanan ba sa isda?
Binak eh.
Pesta dito sa kuan Maribin sa banyo ano kana man gida.
Putura dako keng kiba. What have you caught, Gay? How many?
Nothing.
0. Sa Milin 2, Maribin 0, Annabelle 1, our cousin Tuntun 1. Wow. Nanagi? Dito mo magdaghan.
Yan guys.
We're going home from fishing. I didn't catch anything. I tried. And then it got so hot. Look at the sun is so bright now. Some of them are already there. Roderick and Annabelle. Good thing Samilin brought this little umbrella. Pasakya to Samilin. Ha?
Pero hindi pa makamak na.
Ay, dili na lang ko sakay ko.
Ito ka tumoy.
Oh, dili ano sa tumoy na lang kan. Na ride so to work.
Pagpuno pa.
Anaon na nako. Naon na ko. Adi lagi naon na nako. Init kayo, init. Be careful. Be careful. Anak namin! Grabe. Ha? Dili ba ba? We're gonna fish here. Another pothole. Pangit.
Pataw.
We're going home. Nama lagi kabaw. Nama ini kon.
Meron tayo.
Kind of like far. Layo po doy. Palihog ro ko anda water ro palihogan. Kuya. Maybe we'll just fish here. Apuya. Ginoo ko Lord. Very tiring to go fishing.
Paldo na dagat na sila nagtubig.
Pagka. So I'm going to check. I'm here, I'm looking at this. I was gonna check my parents' rice field, the one that got damaged from the flood. See guys, poor rice field. I don't know if it's gonna I don't know. I don't think it's worth saving. Because you know, if they have to save this, they have to put more fertilizers, and it looks like they're gonna die. Look at all that. Oh, gani. See guys, it's really damaged. They're rotting.
Sa polo video he paana sa niya. Pula-pula lang pala ana ito.
Too bad. Our dad put so much effort on preparing this rice field, and just one flood got washed away. I parked there. See, these are my parents' rice field here in the side of the rice field. And since Samilin accidentally kicked my tumbler, it fell in the canal. I'm not gonna drink it now. I don't have water to drink because it fell into the canal. She accidentally kicked it. Now I don't have water to drink. I may just need to get some coconut water there at my parents' farm. This is his rice field farm, and the other side is coconut farm. There's some coconuts in there. Maybe Roderick can pick some. Oh, look at this one. There's a lot of coconuts in it. Oh, this is our dad's coconut farm. There's a lot of coconuts in it. Oh. But another failure on the rice crop. Too bad. Smoking here, guys. They're fishing here. Uy. And Roderick here fishing on the other side. Come kadihali.
Wag ayo.
No fish.
Kani mula.
Pupuh bingit untuk pasbos ya. Online man. No?
Guys, we're going to get some cassava. Look at them, they're fishing in there. This is our dad's cassava here. Maribin wants to pick some.
Ano lang mo yan eh. Malanghoy kay.
Way bugas. Ay, how do we pick this cassava? Halay, pumutli sa nidaan. We are the daughters of farmer, but we don't know how we're going to pick this cassava. Bido. Ay. We're only gonna get one cassava tree, guys, because one cassava tree, there's a lot of like fruit in it. You could eat fruit. There's a lot of cassava in it. So you have to cut the limbs first. You know, when it was flooding, guys, the water is probably until here. And this is a lot higher here. Our dad planted it higher, but the water still got up to here. That's how high or deep the water is here. That's why our dad's rice field. Huh? Ay, oh. Wow. Nadalian. Napauputli pa ning isa o sanga o. Kani o. Yun ito.
Nay.
Kani o. Kani o.
Diyan man pagbira daw.
Kanong sa gaidaan?
Di kadaog biday mo ana oy.
La. Pisti. Look at. Hala. Dagkua oy.
Gumlagom na no.
Oh, nalagom. Sayang nga, what a waste, guys. It went, the cassava
Ha?
went bad because it got soaked in the water.
Kanang bangguron?
Bangguro na lang ni. Look at this. Nalagkua ang tag-unod. Uy.
We're late.
See, we're late. We should have picked it. See, this one got rotten already. Look at this one. Too bad. Uy. Be careful. Uy, okay pa siguro. Too bad. If it wasn't because of the flood, this would all be good. Look at all of this. Cassava here. Nadaot lagi. Panglaog ng sapato. Gilaong tatay sapato. Oh. Magani. It's soaked in the water for about, yeah. Yeah, look at all this cassava, guys. What a waste. What a waste. Napagani din. So there's another half. That was part of the cassava that we were trying to pull. No, there's more. Hala, daghang pa na. Okay pa na. Yeah, that's part, guys, because our dad plant like 2 or 3 like this. You cut it from here to here, and then that's what you cut from the that's what you planted, like about one of this one like that, maybe about 12 inches. We can plant we can use this to plant another cassava.
You're gonna wait like
8 months. Yeah, and after waiting for 8 months, this was about to harvest. We were actually planning to harvest it. It's just that there was a flood. The flood got to it first before we can even harvest.
Dad harvested once, just once.
Just once?
Very good, really good.
Really good, the cassava, but because it was soaking in the water.
Yeah.
Ha? Nakakuha ka?
Hindi po sa pikas ka. Dako, ay? Oh, dako. Dako mo po yan.
Marites caught one fish. She pulled it so hard from the from this canal, and then it went to another canal. Unsa magkagi? Oy, unsa man ni mo?
Grabe.
Bi. Kami nang dagko bi kay mo na akong dalon. Di pa puni pa. Nang dagko. Ano bring this? Sa magkagi oy nga.
Uy, nawag mang silupin. Asa mo?
Nanay blanghoy, sayanga sa tong blanghoy oy.
Nana pa? Sunat lang.
Kakuha na kale? Did you catch ini? Ha?
Paano ka?
Our cousin fishing also. Look at her. So cute.
Silupin lang go. Oh, di ba na silupin dito sa kono?
Mana?
Wala pa ba litsuga? Wala ba? Di ba na silupin? Ang nagron.
Yan ang tigiha.
Buama, buhat oy. Di ba butangan mo tubig?
So Marites fish there. She pulled it so hard, and then the fish was got away in here on the other side of the canal. Other side of the road, I mean. Now we're going back to the hut. And I've heard that a couple of our aunts came here and our uncles are here. Back to the little hut. Hoy!
Nainit to Marisa?
Naman na yung mga special visitors diri di ay.
Marisa.
Ha? Mo gani ora ko nang apply yo. We have some guests here. Hi, Col. Uy, sa may kuan dire. Mga unugpan. Ha? Ay, susod pa oh. Ay, di, kaon pa.
Katong sa bal dito.
Ay, what's going on here, Muro?
Uy, sa baa.
Uy, unsa man ni? Ay, they're cleaning the tilapia.
Dito ra ba? Dito ra.
One of the guys, he caught a lot of fish from his fish trap. So, he sold it to me and I bought it. He sold it very cheap. So now, everybody's helping each other to clean it.
Patong pita kinaptoy.
Uy, naam rin yung silyo dire. Yung silyo. Ron mo kuan? Dugay pa man mo kuan?
Inlo naman katungkuan dito po sa inyo. Ginaynayan, may linto.
They have already grilled some fish here. Mo na sinugba. Look at this, guys. They already grilled the fish. The Maribin bought at the market. Smells very good. We're getting ready to eat, guys. Go down, bro. I'm gonna get some banana leaf while they're busy cleaning the fish. Uy, you need to pick some banana tree here. The dog got scared when I cut up the banana.
Alito na. Lagi ka sa suka. Grabe tinaw.
Ilig ko. Saan mo to sila? Si Ilig to? Salamat ko. Mama, nalin. There's some inununan, guys, or paksiw fish. Look at this. They cook some paksiw. From fresh water with the sea water. They combine it. Paksiw. Wow. Very good. Dali na mo, everybody, guys. Grilled baby tuna, paksiw, freshwater fish.
Dugangit pud ni ko. Uli limon na gyud.
Na, gamay na nagsuka. Let's eat, guys.
Let's eat, guys.
Nagi.
Let's eat, guys.
Eat it, guys. Eat it, guys.
Oh, the pastel. I ordered online.
Kit et.
Call, dali na call, ante. Come on, guys, come on.
Kaon mo. Wabre si ganggang ba? Gang.
Uy, lamiag sudan ko. Ano eh.
Uy, ambar dito.
Guys, just leaving now. We're leaving. Dali na, Gi. Maritis, you don't wanna leave yet, Gi.
Happy kay guys.
You're tired?
Nabiyaan.
We're going home.
Adi ko magpusunday.
Going home, guys. Maritis coming with me. I think Maribin is going to our parents.
Tanawa daw.
Uy, patula oh. There's vegetables.
Wala pa gulay nga patula na magdala ko mga.
Ano ang bike call?
So tired. Kuya, may amalis.
Nakafrak na, very tired. Cole.
Oh.
There's ang uncle helping us to carry the fish. Some of these are tilapia we're gonna bring home. Tilapia.
Wala man day ni mo nigilak ang sakyanan.
Wala bito. Hindi. Narong tabi ho.
Ay, love. Dili ka makaagi.
Just me and Marites now, guys. We're going home. Here, you can vlog. Well, we're on the way home. We can go this way. This
Hindi ba di ay?
Oh yeah, I think we can go through here, the new road. Look at the view, guys.
Wow,
Very
nice view guys.
big rocks here. I don't know what they're gonna do with this big rock.
Pangkambak na.
Yeah, they're gonna use this to
Para wala baha.
yeah. Dito gyud pakita ang view dito gyud.
Nice view guys. Oh my god.
Wow.
Nice can view guys. Oh.
Yeah, very nice here.
Yes.
The
Hingin nila
new
ka
road.
dagko kay bato.
Yeah. Big
Look at
rock.
the rocks guys.
Like that view in there. Dito yung mga mountain.
Wow. Hindi man kaya makita ang kuan bukid.
Very cool.
Nice view. Kami nabitobod mo jogging jud ay diri.
Asa daw ta ini mo agi?
Gil ko. Bito lang, may bito ko jogging.
Classmate ba rin na?
Si Ate Maylisa. Kisa man di classmate si Kuya Riji di ay. Ay umagi. Na dyan ay diri guys. Pero one lang. Hello?
There's only the side. Wala. Oh my god. How are we gonna go down?
Ay may kuan. Hala, ako na lang kuanon. Naugon.
I can't get into here. Oh my god. Kuan lagi si Buga dito gi. He's gonna remove them. Pamuntan na daw sila, magi ba sila dire kay matras ko? Ha? I need to
Padapay na lang.
they're helping. I can't get down. Nadako din na kaagi kay naidako. Sige daw. I'll try. Now daw masangko ba diha ha?
Uy. Sige, sige. Dili ra. Hello.
Salamat dong ha. Somebody help us. Na ko natandog dito pasig naigo tong sakyanan. Sa ligid ra. Oh my gosh. We should have gone that old road. Only the motorcycle.
Magi na jud to.
Basig natandog naigo sa ligid or sa basig na ligid ra. I thought
Pero at least nindot na kay agian yan.
utay alam-alam.
Wow, the view guys. Tanaw.
Look at the view here guys. Sunset. Nice looking sunset. You can take pictures there, Gio.
Alright.
Very nice.
Suot.
I told Marites to take a take a picture, but she said her clothes are not good. It's very, it's not dirty. Very nice view. And there's a bridge here. Pakita ang bridge di.
The bridge. Manat
There's a
Bridge.
lot of water.
Dagan kag happy oh.